Okay. Hello, my name is Fauzan Nafisa. I am from Group 1. Today, me and my friends are going to talk about our experience as a university student, especially as a freshman in university. So, after months of waiting, post the 12th grade exam, after the graduation, high school graduation, I have finally stepped into a new zone, which is the university. So this transition from school to university is one of the major events that happens in my life so far. And when it first started in September 2020, when I first became a university student, it is somehow exciting, but it is scary at the same time. Um, and my freshman year is different between the previous one because due to the pandemic. So because of the pandemic, my university life as a freshman was not held on campus, but everything everything is handled remotely from home. And there are some of major changes that I experienced for being a university student. So to begin with is as a university student, I have to be more independent. Like really, really have to be more independent than in high school. Because in university, I have to manage myself, not just my time, but also my grades, and also myself, my appearance and everything. So, for example, I have to uh, I have to manage my class schedule. I have to manage my organization schedule and other activities like playing or hangout. And then the second one is new place, a new acquaintance. In university, I have to start again from zero. I have to know my classmates again, and then I have also to have to be more socialized with others. And then the third one is a different learning approach. In university, I have to learn by myself, not only rely on what the lecturer already presented to me, but I have to be able to study independently. And then the last things that I experience, the changes that I experience as a university student, is it is a whole new environment, not just for learning environment, but social environment as well. I have to be study independently, and then I also have to change the way I communicate with others. It just the environment is more professional in university rather than what I experienced in high school. I think that's all from me.
Alright, my name is Iqbal, and apparently it is on my turn to share my experience as a freshman in the first few weeks of my life in the university. So, my first few weeks as a freshman definitely not the best time overall in my life because I had to adapt with the reality that I am no more a high school kid and now I'm a university student. I think that part was hands down the most difficult one. My freshman period is also a peculiar one because everything is all got done in online platform due to the coronavirus pandemic, obviously. After that, I had to deal with so many more people, participate in more organizational activities that I have never joined before, and so on and so on. It is not easy at all for people like me with the fact that I am not interested in the activities or things that involve so many people in it. In my class and in the organization, I met so many new people with different backgrounds and different characteristics that is so unique for me. I usually more conservative or picky with people that I socialize with or people that I make friends with, but I definitely should put that aside to be a university student and deal with it because things will go wrong if I don't have any connection at all in university. Freshman year is identical with stressed out freshmen. It is true and no doubt about that. I am no exception to be a part of stressed out freshmen. Assignment that I have faced when I'm still in my transitional period from a high school kid to be a university student, and the amount of assignment that I have in so many circumstances is so stressing. Unsatisfying score, group works, then organizational activities also add up to that stressing part. I had to learn a new trade, a new skill. I learned how to be stoic, to manage my anger and overcome unfavorable circumstances. It is not perfect in many ways, even until now, but I keep on improving. So many new things that I have experienced in my transitional period from a high schooler to a freshman university. There are four points that I have to mention that I have explained before. First one is first time in my education experience to attend an online class because I never experienced that before. Two, organizational activities that I have never joined before. Three, new people with different background and characteristic. And four, I learned how to be stoic to overcome unfavorable circumstances in my university life. I think that's all. Thank you for listening.
Hello guys, my name is Ocha Wisnu Dharma, and currently I'm a Telkom University student majoring at ICT Business, and I'm from class ICT Business 2, and now I'm gonna present you about my first week experience as a freshman. After graduate from high school, and after facing many tests and exams, on September 10, finally I got accepted at Telkom University, majoring at ICT Business. I was very excited to start my college life, although I knew that college life would be very busy. To be honest, I wasn't ready to leave high school, but I knew that I had to move on from my high school life and started a new life. There are a lot of differences in college compared when I was in high school, but I know this is a new challenge for me, and I have to adapt to the new life that I have entered. My first week as a freshman, I feel very tense and excited at the same time, because I know that I'm going to face a new experiences and a new courses. And I know there will be many challenges and obstacles ahead. And to be honest, whenever I think about this, I start to feel a little bit nervous, because I know that I have stepped into a new journey. Becoming a freshman was stressful because I had to get out from my comfort zone. It is true, assignment that we face when we are still in our adaptation period, and the amount of that in so many circumstances is so stressful. But to be honest, I felt that my experience as a freshman was not like what I imagined, especially because of the pandemic, and I had to study online. I spent my college life as a freshman at my home due to the lockdown policy, and it's really disappointed me. But I know that this is for all our safety, to prevent the spread of the virus. There were many new things that I discovered for becoming a freshman. At least there are 4 new things that I discovered for becoming a freshman. The first one is I know that I have to be more responsible to myself. The second one is I know that I have to be more adaptive to any kind of situation that I face. The third one is I know that I have to be more independent. And the last one is I get to meet new people with different characteristics and background. Although becoming a freshman is full of stressful, but I know that all of this is a part of my new life. So whether I like it or not, I must face it, because I know that if I want to be successful, I have to face my own challenges without complaining about it. And that's all from me. Thank you and have a good day.
Being a freshman also stepped a new part of my life, while all our habits, traits, and daily activity change, become more mature, responsible, and adaptive. We experienced shocking outbreak during our freshman. as a college student, and we must face new kind of study program that being held online. I found that some of changes that I experienced as a freshman. I learned that be more responsible to yourself, that mind a good manner to all people I met, be adaptive to any kind of situations. Then I face new friends, different kind of approaches.